Hey there! Today we have a fun puzzle. We need to find a special number that, when we times it by itself, gives us 8 minus 6i. Let's go step by step, it's easier than it looks. Let's say the answer is some number a plus bi. We don't know a and b yet, but we will find them. These are just regular numbers we need to figure out. Now, if a plus bi is the square root, then when we times it by itself, we should get back 8 minus 6i. So let's square both sides. Let's open up the bracket. When we times a plus bi by itself, we get a squared plus 2abi plus b squared times I squared. Just like opening any bracket. Here's the magic trick. I squared is just minus 1. So b squared times I squared becomes minus b squared. Now we group the real part and the imaginary part nicely. Now we look at both sides. The real part on the left is 8, so a squared minus b squared must equal 8. The imaginary part on the left is minus 6, so 2ab must equal minus 6. Two equations, two unknowns. Let's make equation 2 simpler. Split both sides into two equal parts, so a times b equals minus 3. That means b is just minus 3 split by a. Now we can put this into the other equation. Now let's put in our value of b into equation 1. Minus 3 over a, all squared, gives us 9 over a squared. So we get a squared minus 9 over a squared equals 8. That fraction looks tricky. Let's times everything by a squared to get rid of it. We move everything to one side, and we get a to the power 4, minus a squared, minus 9 equals 0. Here's a nice trick. Let's call a squared as t. Now our scary equation becomes just t squared minus 8t minus 9 equals 0. That's a simple equation we know how to solve. We need two numbers that times together give minus 9 and add up to minus 8. That's minus 9 and plus 1. So t can be 9 or minus 1. Wait, t is the same as a squared, and when you square any real number, you can never get a negative answer. So t equals minus 1 is not possible. We keep t equals 9. If a squared is 9, then a is plus 3 or minus 3. Now we find b for each one. When a is 3, b is minus 3 split by 3, which is minus 1. When a is minus 3, b is minus 3 split by minus 3, which is plus 1. And we did it. The square root of 8 minus 6i is plus or minus 3 minus i. That means both 3 minus I and minus 3 plus I are answers. Great job working through this, you're a star.